Welcome to a walk round of the underside of our Man TGE van conversion. So here we are. We're going to start at the rear with the parts that we've put under here to make this thing a lovely, comfortable, beautiful thing to go camping in. Start with a 25-litre tank. This is behind the rear axle. So we've moved this simple thing to do. Move the spare wheel back against the back balance. Creates enough space in here. Stainless steel hoops screwed directly to the cross rail. And then, come on Alex, come on, keep up. And the front here, we've got two support rails here, again stainless steel, screwing into existing holes in the chassis. Coming up to the regulator, taking the high pressure gas down to low pressure. Moving forward, freshwater tank, grey water tank, made by the lovely people at Barrett Tanks. And then again, moving forward, 5G, fully modulating gas air heater that's sitting up just behind the engine compartment. We've got two inlets going inside the vehicle. What a beauty.